So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters. And now you're gonna find network and internet. Click on run. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you're gonna head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna find your network adapter. Double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on internet protocol version 4. And then once we're here, make sure you have obtain an IP address automatically selected and obtain DNS server address automatically also selected. So just leave them both in the default options and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset to click on enter. And now you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer automatically in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now, and then the problem should be fixed.